Your four-wheel drive's factory mirrors may not be legal when towing. Look at how bad the visibility is on these standard mirrors compared to Clearview Towing Mirrors. Massively increase your vision and make your four-wheel drive look a whole lot better with the all-new Next Gen Towing Mirrors. Now, these are the latest and greatest from Clearview. They're a little smaller than the originals, but these two mirrors here make all the difference. This flat-top mirror gives you a full and accurate view down the edge of your van or trailer. This bottom mirror is convex with a wide field of vision that eliminates blind spots. When you're towing, they extend a massive 180mm, so you can drive with the confidence that you're going to see everything behind you. When you're not towing, they retract all the way back in, and well, they look pretty darn good, don't they? Clearview mirrors are top quality. Don't waste your time with low-quality strap-on mirrors that'll just rub your paintwork, rattle around, and fall off when you need them the most. The best part is, they're a direct replacement for your stock mirrors. You don't have to lose expensive factory options like heated glass, and you can adjust them with your factory controls. You can even upgrade to a full power fold version, which is fantastic for tight car parks and overgrown tracks. If you tow anything at all, you want a set of these for your four-wheel drive. To pick up a set, head to their website at clearviewaccessories.com.au.